Hi guys, you thought I was done? No. So this box came from Butterfly Effectwares. I got rid of the box to alleviate from the time. So I got this first. Witching Hour ... putty. This is their putty, and I got it to match my pen that I won out of their drop. And it's wrapped in black paper with their like logo, butterfly sticker, and a tea bag. So I'm so excited to get into this box. It's not the blanket, not the type I wanted, but you know, I can get all different types of shapes. I'm just going to rip right into this. Guys, I cannot fathom this pen. Oh, it's big. It's a big pen, but it will work. Guys, look at this pen. I have to bring this with me. I have to. It has moons in it, bats in it. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this pen. So, let's look at the putty. No, you stay right there. So I am bringing diamond painting supplies with me. This pen's going with me. I'm glad it got here in time. And here is the putty. Let's flip it over. It's better flipped over. So here is their putty. You get a good amount. This will probably last me like 10 paintings. Easy. So does it say what scent? It has a grapey type of smell to it. But guys, I cannot with this pen. Oh my God. I want to play with it right now. I think I'm going to. I have a painting in there that I want to play with. So guys, look at this pen. It is a little, this is their regular big blank. So I do own another pen by them, which I have not given away yet. I keep bouncing back and forth with it. So this is the first one I won from them, which I love. Has a good feel to it. This one has got to go with me. It's big, but I can work with that. And I'm actually going to bring the putty with me too. I'm probably going to keep the Butterfly Effectware pens for a while. So guys, with that being said, love yourself, love each other, guys. And be kind, be courteous, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom. And if you want more content, feel free to donate to my channel. I have the link in the description box. Have a wonderful day, guys, and I will see you back. Probably Halloween or the day before. Depends my mood. I might pop up and do a whip and chat. Only you will know. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.